Welcome back. Today is the 23rd of May 2021. The COVID situation is improving, and I hope all of you are doing well and are safe. The stocks I discuss on this channel are not a buy or sell recommendation. I do my own analysis, and I request you to consult your financial advisor before you take any decision. I shall not be liable for any loss that you may incur by trading these stocks. My second favorite chart for this week is of Som Distilleries and Breweries Limited. This is the weekly chart. This is a small cap company, and from the name, it is clear that this company is in the business of manufacturing alcoholic beverages. First, let's have a look at the history of the stock. The stock was in a very strong downtrend and it was making fresh lows over time. But the reason I have selected this stock today is that there are signs of bottoming out. This stock has formed a rounding bottom formation, and this rounding bottom formation is a trend reversal pattern. So it is quite possible that this downtrend has come to an end, and from these levels, the stock will start moving higher. The stock has created a very nice base over several weeks, and this week we had a breakout from this formation. Look at the strength of this green bar. If we have a look at the volume activity, we can see that this stock has been accumulated at very lower levels. Some big institutions have bought this stock at very lower levels. This stock has given a closing at 45 rupees. And if we speak about the target, then there's a resistance at the level of 85. That is almost double from these levels. If we get a closing below 36 rupees, then we can exit. Although the structure of this chart is great, but the reason this is my second favorite and not my favorite is that this is a very small company. Now let's have a look at my favorite chart for this week. That is of Acrisil Limited. This is the weekly chart. This company is in the business of manufacturing kitchen sinks. We don't have a lot of data over here, but whatever data we have over here is sufficient. Now this chart reminds me of a stock we have already discussed on this channel, and that is of Happiest Mind Technologies. We have seen how well that stock has performed. Both the stocks have a similar structure. They have formed a pole and flag formation. This was the pole, and this is the flag. And we had a breakout from this flag this week. This breakout was supported by very good volumes. Look at the volume bar over here. We can't doubt this volume bar. When we have a pole and flag formation like this, we often estimate the target by projecting this pole on the upside. And when I do that, we get the target as rupees 560. I personally have this stock in my portfolio. And if we get a closing below 340 rupees, we can exit. And 560 is the first target. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment to motivate me. Please take care.